Demystifying HVAC vents, grills, registers, and diffusers. They might just look like vents in your wall or ceiling, but grills, registers, and diffusers play a crucial role in your HVAC system's efficiency and comfort. While they all handle airflow, understanding their distinct functions can help you optimize your climate control. The basic vent, grills. Think of grills as the workhorses of the bunch. These simple, often louvered panels allow air to pass through freely. They're primarily used for return vents, pulling air back to the HVAC system for reconditioning. Grills prioritize airflow over direction, making them ideal for uncritical areas or where aesthetics aren't a major concern. Taking control, registers. Registers add a layer of functionality to grills. They typically feature adjustable louvers or dampers that allow you to control the airflow direction and volume. This is handy for directing cool air away from drafty areas or adjusting airflow in rooms with uneven temperatures. Registers are commonly used for both supply, delivering conditioned air, and return vents. The airflow maestro, diffusers. Diffusers are the specialists of the vent world. Designed for optimal air distribution, they use strategically placed vanes and blades to spread conditioned air in a specific pattern throughout a room. This targeted airflow helps maintain consistent temperature and minimize drafts, especially in large or open spaces. Diffusers are most commonly found in ceilings but can also be mounted on walls. Choosing the right vent. Here's a quick guide to selecting the perfect vent for your needs. Need basic airflow? A simple grill is sufficient. Want to control airflow direction? Opt for a register. Priority, even air distribution and comfort? A diffuser is the way to go. Remember, consulting an HVAC professional can ensure you choose the right vents for your specific system and space. They can also help you optimize their placement for maximum comfort and efficiency. In conclusion, while grills, registers, and diffusers might seem like minor details, they significantly impact your HVAC system's performance. By understanding their distinctions and choosing the right ones, you can ensure a comfortable and energy-efficient environment. Thanks for listening. Check out description for books about HVAC,